I'm making this video on a WooCommerce website on how you can create categories, customize, add some weight, prices, um, upload images to the product, how you can create new products and edit existing products. Alright, so the first thing is put in the login details. Okay, so once you log in, you are going to see this first screen, which is called the dashboard. So this is the back end of the website. It shows the website visitors because it has been linked to Google Analytics. So the first thing is I'll take you to where you can create new categories. So on the left hand side, you'll see some menus. So you scroll to where you have WooCommerce and then where you have the products. Under the products, you place your cursor over it and then you see these options that would come out. Then you see the categories. So click on categories. Okay, so after it loads, you see this particular screen, and on this screen you can see that there are some categories that have been created already. Here you can see the bath category, and then under the bath category you can see these subcategories: bath soap, black soap, wash shower gels, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's say that we want to create a new category. All we need to do is to come right here. So all we do is we put the name of the category. Let's say we are creating, let's say, clothing. Then for the slug we can put this in small letter, clothing. Okay, now if we are creating a category, you don't need to select any parent here. But if you are creating a subcategory, then you will have to click on this and look for the category under which you're going to put the subcategory. So face over here is a category, body here is a category. We have other categories like bats and the rest of them. So but if you are creating a subcategory, you don't need to choose anything here. You can leave this description, display type. So what you want to display is, now if you are creating a subcategory, you choose the products. But if you are creating a category, then what you want to display under a category are the subcategories. Okay, then you can come right here where you have the thumbnail to upload a new image. So when you click on that, these images will show. You see these images. These are the images that have already been uploaded on the website. But if you do not have any of these, if none of these images serve what you want, all you need to do is you go to this upload. When you click on that upload, you click on select files. Now when you select files, you just it leads straight to your website, to your system, showing the files in the other download or wherever you have your images. So you can scroll to where you have your images and then you select what you want. When you select it, and then it gets uploaded. Now when it gets uploaded, you can just select whatever you want. You select it and then you come right here. This is an icon here that should just tell you okay to upload. So as you can see, this is the image that we have uploaded, and then it's going to get displayed just like you can see all these other images displayed over here. Okay, so now if you want to, if it is a category or a subcategory that you want to restrict, there's a function that has been installed on this particular site such that you can restrict some products to certain set of people. That's when you click this. But if it's a product that you're not restricting, all you just need to click on is add new category. Once you click on add new category, all you see is you see it on the right hand side. Okay, so that is how you create a new category. Now when it comes to editing a category, you know, whether a category or a subcategory, now if you look at it, you see that the categories do not have any count, that is no products, but the subcategories are the ones that have products in them. Okay, so that is that. Now let's assume you want to edit, maybe you don't want the name to be bar soaps. There are sometimes you click on quick edit. Quick edit will just edit the name or the slug. The slug is what you see on the URL. Okay, and so, or if you have to do a particular editing, like not just the name or the slug, then you have to click on edit. Now when I click on edit, it loads. Okay, so when it loads, you can see that the name can be changed from here, slug can be changed. Then you can see the baths, you know, the bar soap is under the bath category, so you can always change it if you do not want it to be under the bath category. And then you can see, you can, where it's displayed is it displays products, not subcategory. Okay, um, and then we have all of this, the thumbnail. If you want to restrict it, you can restrict it. So that is that about editing um, a category or a subcategory. Now along the line, I already explained how you upload images. Okay, but let's assume that you want to, if you are not uploading the images through the subcategory or through the product, when you go to media and you click on library, okay, that's media, and then you library shows on the right. From here you will be able to add the new images. So here you have add new media file. So the media file include images, videos. Okay, you upload it and you can add it to whichever aspects you want to put it on the product. Next is how we create products. So you move to the left, and then after WooCommerce you see products. Alright, when you hover over products, you see these options: all products, add new products, categories, tags, attributes, reviews. When you click on all products, okay, now let's assume we want to look at what we have under all products. There you see it. So here you have the products that have been created. These are the products that have been created. Now let's assume you want to edit. You click on this to edit. Okay, you can click on this to edit. Maybe you want to edit the names, or you can also click on the quick edits, but do not click on the trash, because that means you're taking it out of there. Now as you can see, it's a list that runs from, I think, about 1 to 20. It shows the first 20 products. And then if the product you are looking for is not here, you click on this arrow that goes forward, or you can scroll up and search products. So you can just, okay, you can just come right here and search for the products. Search the product. Let's say we are looking for finesse flawless. So you click on search products. So once you search products, you find that the products that have finesse flawless is what will come, what you will see here. So as you can see here, we can see finesse flawless, toner face, body cream, caramel tone cream, lightning, even tone, diamond, etc. So you can just click on edit. You can edit it from here. Now let's talk about adding new products. Now when you want to add new products, you can go to the left. Under your products, you have all products, you have add new. Okay, if you don't want to go through that, you can also come up here. You can see add new products. You can add new products from here, or you can go over to this okay okay, so let's say you can go over to this or this to add new products. So let's say we want to add new products. Click on that. After it loads, the next thing is you put the product name. So let's say this is let's call it black soap. Then now over here is where you put the entire description of the product. Now this will not be displayed on the front end. It is until you click on the products to see the details. That's where you see all of this. That's where you see all of this. So most times if you do not have all the details, you can leave this blank. Then you scroll down. Now as you scroll down, you come over to the right hand side here. Here you see product image. So you can set the product image. Now this, when you click on this, is going to take you to the media where you have your images already uploaded. You wait for it to load, and after it loads, then you can just select a particular product you want to display, and then you click on set product image. Once you click on set product image, it's going to load over here. Okay, so as you can see, and if you do not want it, you can remove it and add a different one. The product gallery, there are some products that maybe you snap different parts of the products. It could be you snap the front, snap the two sides, you snap the back, or you have an up view and the rest like that. So you can add this product gallery. So when I click on that, you can select, you can select or upload several files at the same time. So I'm going to show you how you do this. Now for this, you can select as many as possible. So okay, how do you select it? You place your hand on the control, you select as many as you want to select, and then when you are through, then you click on this, which is to select the products. As you can see, all the products are displayed over here. All the products are displayed over here. Okay, then the next thing is, what category do you want the products to show? These are all the categories that have been created so far. So bath is a category, but all of these are subcategories. This is more products is a category. We have others there. Now when you're going to select, you select from the subcategory section, not from the category. So let's assume you want to select other dark knuckles. So you've selected it under dark knuckles. Okay, that's done. Then you move up here to the section where you have the product data. This is where you are going to add the price, put what kind of product which it is. Is it a simple product where just the price displays once and for all, or is it a product that is going to display some customization, such as maybe the color? You want a person, a buyer, to select the color, maybe white, red. That's with customization. Or there are some times when you want to display an website. Perhaps you're trying to link your site to maybe to another Woocommerce website like Amazon and the rest of that. You can do that from here. Okay, so Let me open this back. Now, so the first thing is you put in the price. Now, this simple product, let me explain this simple product first. This simple product is as simple as it sounds. It's simple. You just see the amount displayed straight up on the site. So let's assume we put 5,000 naira. That's the amount we're going to see there. That's the regular price. Now, it's possible that there's a regular price, but then there's a sale price. Maybe the sale price will be the price you want people to. You are giving it out for sale. That's the sale price. But the regular price is going to be higher. It's always higher than the sale price. So if you put a price that, okay, now let's assume we put 3,000 here. Now that's accepted. But if you put something higher than 3,000, let's say you put 6,000, it's not going to accept it. Okay, so the sale price is always lower. But if you're not doing such, just put in the regular price. Now after you've put in the regular price, then you move over to where we have shipping. Now for shipping, here you can put in the weight of the products. Let's say 100 gram. You don't need to put the gram, just put the 100, because the gram or the kilogram or the mass generally has been set, at the Woocommerce section of this website. So just put that there. Don't worry about the shipping class. This has already been worked. Maybe in another video I can show how that is done. Okay. Okay, so then the next thing is, if you have other descriptions such as the volume, such as description like lightings, um, volume, maybe 100 mil. You want to any other information you want to add concerning the product, this is where you put it. Okay, and then this is to restrict the products. Now, for instance, if you want to restrict the product for maybe to a particular set of people, like what you have on this site, this particular product has a restriction site for wholesale. Now, but because I'm logged in on the site, so on the wholesale section, you find out that we have the shop wholesale. So on a normal day, when the website visitor visits this, the website visitor will see the products on the shop wholesale. Okay. Now, when they see the product on the shop wholesale, now once they see the ones they want to purchase on a wholesale level, they select, and once they select, it's going to ask them to log in, and if they've not logged in, they have to register. So that is how that works. Now, the place where you restrict members is actually from this particular aspect, which is restrict access. So let's say you want to restrict access, you click on restrict to this post. Then you want those that can access it should be those that are logged in. Okay, and you put in the level of the roles that you want to be able to access it. Maybe it's the shop manager, the administrator, the wholesale customer. The wholesale customer needs to be chosen here because there's a customization that has been done to make sure the wholesale, when you click on the wholesale customer, they will be able to access once they log in. Okay, then what happens when users without access try to view it? It's going to redirect them to where? To the login page. So this needs to be put in place before you can move on. That's if you are creating a product that you want to restrict. But if you're not restricting it, you don't need to do that. So I'm going to click on it. This is not restricted. So that is how you create a simple product. When you create a simple product, then you can just click on publish, and then it publishes it. But if you are creating a product with customization, Then you over to variable products. Now once you click on variable products, this is what you see next. Now you can see that the price is no longer here, and the other sale price, as regular and sale price, are not here. Then okay, now you just move over to this part called attributes. We're going to set an attribute for this particular product. So the attributes include, could be the color, could be the fragrance, could be the texture, and the likes. So let's assume we want to create two attributes, color and size, for this particular product. Now for color, let's say we want to have white. Now when you type that white, you look for this particular stroke on the side, depends on your keypad. Then let's say you want to have red, then let's say you want to have green. So you have set the values for this particular color. Also, maybe you want to also set the size. Now for the size, maybe you're going to have small, you're going to have medium, you're going to have large. If you like, you can go for extra large as well. So you have set the values for this particular name, for this particular size. Now ensure that visible on product and used for variations are clicked on. So after you've done that, the next thing is you save. You need to save this. Now if you look at what we've created 3 values for each attribute. So when you've created these 3 values, it's more of a combination scenario. So you can combine it such that you can have white and small. That's what a user can choose that. Or may choose white and medium, or white and large. Or maybe red and small, red and medium, red and large, or green and small, green and medium, green and large. So there's a way that it has been imputed into this particular Woocommerce website, such that it's going to combine these variations. It's going to combine these attributes. So to combine these attributes, you over to, now don't forget that you must have saved. You over to variations, and when you get to variations, it's going to generate the variations based on the attributes. So I click on generate, okay, and then you click on OK. Now it's going to give you 9, as you can see, 9 variations based on what we said. So it combines it in such a way that the way we want it. Now after you've done this, you need to set the price. If these products have a general price, just click on add price from here, and then you put in the price. Let's say it is 4,000 naira. Just put the 4 and 3 zeros, and then click on add prices. Now this price gets loaded into all of these variations. Now if you want to change the prices, just click on it. Now this is the price that was added. This is the price that was added. And then if you want to change the colors, for example, this is white and small, you click on add, upload an image, and then you select an image that is maybe white or white and small or something like that. You select it from here, and then you add the products, okay, and then you can put the sale price, is in stock, put the weight, if it has length, width and height, you put that there. No parents, you can leave that. So after you have done that, you close it. You do the same thing for everything. If you have to change anything there, you have to do that one after the other. So that is how you create the variations. So don't forget, you can put in the weights in this particular aspect. Once you have created this variable product, all you just need to click on is you click on publish. Once you click on publish, you will see your product is going to appear under all products. Now I'm going out of this. I do not intend to save this particular product being created. It's just for explanation. So I click on cancel. Okay, all products. I'm leaving. I'm leaving it. So once you publish it, you're going to see it, here. Now the product I was trying to make, this is it over here. It's not going to show on the front page of the website because I didn't publish it, so it's going to remain here. But these are the ones that have been um, published, and then it can be seen on the product on the store. On the store is where you're going to see such products. So that's about how you add and edit products on this particular site.